Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. Today, we are putting the spotlight on a seriously rugged, factory customized 4x4 powerhouse, the all-new Great Wall H9 Power Soul Edition. Positioned directly for hardcore off-road enthusiasts, Great Wall Motors has taken the proven platform of the second-generation Haval H9 and injected it with extreme terrain capabilities straight from the factory floor. Instead of buying a standard SUV and spending thousands on aftermarket modifications, the Power Soul Edition arrives fully equipped with specialized off-road hardware, heavy-duty armor, and upgraded suspension geometry. Priced right at the 210,000 yuan mark, this rugged 4x4 bridges the gap between comfortable family transport and aggressive, trail-ready capability. So, can this factory-modified beast dominate the tough terrain market and beat out traditional body-on-frame competitors? Let's jump straight into the technical breakdown. Visually, the H9 Power Soul Edition makes its off-road intentions clear from every single angle. Up front, it abandons standard highway styling in favor of high-clearance steel bumpers, built-in recovery winch integration points, and an aggressive, widened front grille structure. Notice the elevated stance featuring a factory-installed lift kit that significantly improves approach and departure angles, allowing it to clear steep rock crawls and deep ruts effortlessly. Around the side, heavy-duty rock sliders protect the lower sills, while widened fender flares accommodate beadlock-style wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain tires. At the rear, you get a heavy-duty spare tire carrier mounted directly to the tailgate, plus integrated towing hooks designed for extreme extraction scenarios. Underneath the armored exterior, Great Wall has backed up the aggressive styling with serious mechanical muscle. Under the bonnet, the H9 Power Soul Edition is powered by a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with a heavy-duty 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering high low-end torque for crawling over technical obstacles. Power is routed through an advanced intelligent four-wheel drive system with a dedicated low-range transfer case, featuring front, center, and rear mechanical differential locks. To handle punishing trail abuse, the ladder frame chassis is reinforced, supported by upgraded off-road shock absorbers and an all-terrain driving mode selector that calibrates throttle response, traction control, and torque distribution in real time. Now, let's talk about the absolute core of this discussion, the numbers. At a price point hovering around 210,000 yuan, the value proposition sitting right in front of us is nothing short of disruptive. Think about what you are actually getting for this figure. In a market where true off-road capability often comes with a massive price tag, Great Wall is offering a fully realized, factory-armored, body-on-frame 4x4 platform right out of the box. You aren't just buying an everyday SUV with a rugged body kit. You are investing in a purpose-built mechanical package equipped with a heavy-duty chassis, front, center, and rear differential locks, and factory-integrated recovery hardware. When you line up the H9 Power Soul Edition against its established global rivals, the contrast becomes staggering. Take heavyweights like the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the Ford Everest, or even specialized off-roaders like the Jeep Wrangler. To get a legacy brand with a comparable level of trail readiness, you are easily looking at double, sometimes triple, the entry price. And even then, those stock models will likely require thousands of dollars in aftermarket modifications, specialized bumpers, underbody armor, and upgraded all-terrain rubber just to match what this machine offers straight from the assembly line. Great Wall has effectively eliminated the need for risky, expensive aftermarket builds by engineering these components into the vehicle with full factory backing, structural testing, and road legality. Beyond the raw mechanical hardware, there is the undeniable evolution in cabin experience and daily usability. Traditionally, choosing a hardcore off-roader meant sacrificing comfort, technology, and refinement. But stepping inside the H9 reveals a completely different story. You are greeted with a high-end digital dashboard, a massive high-definition infotainment suite, intelligent driver assist systems, and premium acoustic insulation designed to keep trail noise completely isolated from the cabin. It transitions seamlessly from a tough, mud-plugging trail conqueror to a quiet, sophisticated family cruiser on highway pavement. So, what is our definitive verdict here at Vision Effect TV? The Great Wall H9 Power Soul Edition is far more than just another utility vehicle trying to look tough. It represents a masterclass in market disruption. It proves that serious, heavy-duty 4x4 engineering, advanced interior technology, and aggressive factory armor do not have to be locked behind astronomical price tags. It bridges the gap between raw, uncompromising off-road performance and everyday luxury better than almost anything else in its price category. If you are an overland enthusiast who demands absolute mechanical reliability, true off-road freedom, and modern tech without breaking the bank, Great Wall has given us what might just be the ultimate value for money answer on the market today. The Power Soul Edition doesn't just hold its ground, it sets a whole new benchmark.